Hello students, in this video we are solving question number 8 to question number 13 of exercise 1B from chapter 1 Rational and Irrational Numbers from Selina class 9 textbook. Here in the 8th question we are asked to write a pair of irrational numbers whose sum is also irrational. So here we are writing not any specific numbers but just the two numbers whose addition is also an irrational number. Now, in order to add two irrational numbers, we must have the same group like 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2. Only like group of irrational numbers can be added. So here adding this like algebraic expression 3x plus 2x, we will get 5x, which is an irrational number. In the ninth question, we are asked to write a pair of irrational numbers whose sum is a rational number. So let's say we are having two numbers 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2. Upon adding them, plus root 2 and minus root 2 will get cancelled and we will be getting answer as 6, which is a rational number. So from these two examples, we can make this point that if two irrational numbers are added, the answer can also be an irrational number like in the first sub question or a rational number like in the second sub question. Now for the 10th, write a pair of irrational numbers whose difference is irrational. So we can take the same pair of numbers as taken above 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. So 3x minus 2x will be 1x. So answer is just root 2, which is an irrational number. And for the pair of irrational numbers whose difference is rational, we can again take the same irrational numbers, but this time upon opening up the brackets, we will get 3 plus root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. So 3 and minus 3 will get cancelled and root 2 plus root 2 will become 2 root 2, which is an irrational number. In 11th question, we have to write a pair of irrational numbers whose difference is a rational number. So let's say we take a irrational number root 2 and we take the difference of it with root 2 itself. Then both the numbers will get cancelled and we'll get 0, which is a rational number. So in the 12th question, we have to write a pair of irrational numbers whose product is also irrational. So let's say root 3 is an irrational number. It is multiplied with root 2, which is also an irrational number. And answer is root 6, which is also an irrational number. In the question number 13, we have to write a pair of irrational numbers whose product is rational. So let's say I'll multiply root 2 with root 8, which are both irrational, but the product is root 16, which is equal to 4, and that is a rational number. So in this video, we have solved question number 8 to question number 13. In the next video, we'll be solving question number 14.